Welcome to Session 2 of the US Systems Inc. New Tracker Software. As we stated before, you're going to go into the ussystemsinc.net website, click on the Technician Login to get into the web page. You can also save that home link on your smartphone for easy retrieval when you're out on the job. So let's get started back with Aaron again. As we log back in, we wanted to cover some features we did not cover the last time. Since this is going to be on your smartphone, this main page tells you what jobs you had on previous days. So if we were to click back on the 18th, you can download the PDF version of what you had in work orders if you would like to print them out. Same with the 19th. Okay? You can also click on the number here, the phone number, and it'll actually populate into your phone so you can do direct dialing to the customer without having to remember their number. Another feature we're going to talk about right now is your QC picture uploader. If you're going to go to the upload, if you're being requested to upload pictures, you simply select the day that you're going to be uploading jobs on for quality control. Click Run. And then you're going to add the files for customer Ronald Schmidt and or Bryce Balkin. Add files, start the upload. And those pictures will be automatically uploaded into our system. You can also order your drop material. So let's say you wanted to order some small parts. Drop material consists solely of small parts and non-chargeable parts, such as DirecTV cables, mounting brackets, etc. Here you can see the location Aaron is going to be ordering from is in Michigan. He has his coax cables, connectors, cable accessories, grounding accessories, product. If there is something available, it'll be in the right hand column. It tells you the price as well as the quantity available that you can order. Since we do not have a quantity in this system yet, there is nothing available. That's why it is NA. But once you order it, over to the right, it will start to populate on the right hand side, letting you know of what you're ordering. Another nice feature about this is your phone list. No longer do you have to carry the phone list with you, as we've been posting on our website. You can simply come into the phone list and it'll list any technician that is working in your market. They'll give you their tech number, their name, as well as their phone number. You can simply click on any of the phone numbers and it will automatically upload it to your phone so you can do easy dialing without having to remember the number and copy and paste it. When it comes time for you to print your invoicing will automatically be populated as you are closing your jobs out daily. So there is no need to enter an activity number and add to an invoice, because if you're using the system to close out the jobs, you will be able to have that invoice and that activity number already be synced up to your invoice. Another part about closing out jobs that we did not cover on the last session was the LMBs and dish material. Because of the new software, we are now, just like DirecTV, requiring all serial numbers to be entered for the following items: SWIM LMBs, KAKU LMBs, broadband decas, receiver decas, as well as Wi-Fi decas, not only include all receivers. This is to keep a proper counting and tracking of inventory on all trucks at all times. If you go to a job and it already has an LMB up on the dish and it has the proper dish, you will not be able to activate that LNB without a serial number. In other words, you will not be able to close out your line item and get paid for that job without us having that serial number entered into your system. It is fine if you pick that job up, or pick that LNB or part up, or receiver deca, broadband deca, but you must first get us the information so we can enter it before you close out at the end of the day. It is imperative that this happens. You will not be able to close your line item without those serial numbers. This will give us an accurate counting, as well as to see what we are gaining and what we are losing. If you have any questions on this, do not hesitate to call either Chris or myself. We also have a bulletin page that's going to be updated with the bulletin with any new numbers or metrics that we're going to be giving out. We also have an alert screen that you do not have access to, but will pop up on occasion if an alert is sent to you for some data or material or information that you need to fill out information for, such as a question on some paperwork and or a certain job. The alert will be sent to you. If you're being asked to respond, please respond and get it back. Otherwise, it will not leave until you get that done. Let's say you want to go to DirecTV forums, which is always good for any new things that are happening with DirecTV, any changes in product. You can easily click on the forums, and it'll load you into the DirecTV forums page, and you can find out what they're talking about in the discussions, as well as any installer resources that are available. At the end of every session, please log out. The system is timed, so it does log you out automatically, but you'll have to log in and log back out to use the system properly. So every time, make sure you log out. That is the end of session 2, and we're glad you watched.